Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of RM Cookbook. Hope you all been well. And today I'm going to share with you a very delicious and very easy recipe of Afghani chicken kebab. So it's very simple to make. But before the recipe, let me just thank all of you for supporting this channel and for your ongoing subscription and being the part of this channel. So without further ado, let me just show you what you need. Over here we're going to be using 2 chicken breasts, and from that it's going to produce enough for 2 people. So what we first have to do, take one of these breasts and just cut halfway through the middle. So we are going to make 2 pieces out of this chicken breast, and each of those pieces will be making into cube size shape. All we have to do is just try to make it equal size, as you can see over here, and then also cut through the middle. So this is basically what I was talking about, how to make it cube size pieces. Now once you have done through cutting this both of the chicken breasts, all we're going to do is prepare that for marinations. So here for marination I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of yogurt. So if you have Greek yogurt, that's fine. A teaspoon or slightly less than a teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon or slightly less than that of cumin powder, as you can see over here, and a little bit of turmeric powder. That basically gives that nice color to it, and less than a teaspoon of black pepper. So this is powdered black pepper, and a pinch of ginger garlic paste, which you have seen Now the chicken meat is actually quite lean, so we'll be also using some oil. Over here, if you actually want just a bit of kick to it, so I added a little bit of chili flakes over there, and a squeeze of half a lemon would be enough, because that lemon, the acid from that lemon helps break down the protein in the meat basically. So that's basically an ingredient you need to add. If you don't have a lime, if you can add lemon, I actually added lime, and just mix the whole thing thoroughly. One thing I forgot to add in this recipe which is most important, is salt. So I just remembered, the good thing I just did remember. If I didn't, it would be a disaster. So over here I'm just adding half a teaspoon of salt. Now salt and pepper is to your taste, so based on that, add the amount of salt and pepper you want. Mix that up thoroughly, cover it up, put it into your fridge for 3 or 4 hours, forget about it, and after 3 or 4 hours just take it out of your fridge, skewer it into your skewer, and get it ready for cooking into your grill or rotisserie. So I'm actually going to be using the rotisserie, and that gives more very flavorful and very juicy kebab. So in other words, so all I'm going to do is just fill up the skewer with these pieces of chicken. It's been marinating for, in my case, I didn't actually marinate it overnight. I marinated it for around 4 hours, as far as I can remember. Yeah, 4 hours. I actually put it in the morning, took it in the afternoon, and just made it. So then it just goes into the rotisserie for around 40 minutes, because this is the reason the shape and the size and the thickness of the pieces of chicken is very important, because I'm going to be putting 40 minutes, and in 40 minutes it's going to be done. I also put some tomatoes in it, because the roasted tomatoes, it has very nice taste to it. We also made some homemade naan bread. If you wanted to see the recipe, just put a comment in the comment section below. I'll make that recipe also available for you. And then just after 40 minutes later, you can present it with your favorite salad, with some pickles, and then with this naan bread. This is really delicious, very easy to make, doesn't take that long preparations. It's very simple to make also, and it's very delicious. Again, this is a Afghani chicken kebab, and the recipes are unique to that area. And just to show you how tender and very nicely cooked thoroughly, see, there is no pinkness left in the meat. Everything is cooked very thoroughly, and this is how easy and simple it is to prepare. So hope you like this recipe. If you did like, please give us a like and share it with your friends and family. And thank you again for taking the time to watch this video. So till the next time, take care.